In this video, I will show how to change negative numbers into bracket in Microsoft Excel. So select your number list, right click on it, format cells, custom, and here select this one. And before this hash, insert the bracket. If you not find here bracket, so before this fourth hash, write the bracket and in the end, closing bracket, then click on OK. So we can see negative numbers are with bracket. Like minus say 664, so it will appear with bracket. Thanks for watching.